Stop spending your cash on gear, phones, and computers. G'day folks, Den here with another quick tip. I hear this myth perpetuated that if you make some money in your business, you should spend it as quickly as possible on gear, computers, phones to avoid paying tax. It's the biggest crock of BS I've ever heard because it simply doesn't work like that. First of all, you are spending your available cash flow on large items. That means you're impacting your ability to trade and have liquid flow of cash in your business to be able to develop your marketing, get more clients. So the other thing is that you're avoiding paying tax. The fact is, if you spend $10,000 on a piece of equipment, the chances are you'll have to write that down over 4 years, which means you'll write down approximately $2,500 per year. You're still having to pay for the item. You will reduce your tax liability a small amount of 25%, but it's not a great strategy. It's not a winning strategy to build solid, sustainable cash flow and scale your business.